The TUMI Alpha Split Travel Kit is a sophisticated and practical toiletry bag designed for both men and women, ensuring your personal items stay neatly organized while on the go. Crafted from TUMI's signature ultra-durable FXT ballistic nylon, this travel kit offers exceptional durability and elegance, making it ideal for frequent travelers. With features like clear windows for easy visibility and a removable leather handle that unsnaps to hang, this bag provides unmatched convenience for all travel scenarios. The antimicrobial lining in the TUMI Alpha Split Travel Kit helps prevent odor-causing microbes, ensuring your grooming essentials remain fresh and hygienic. This versatile toiletry bag includes 3 zip pockets, allowing for clear organization and quick access to your items, whether on a business trip or vacation getaway. TUMI's commitment to quality is evident in their 5-year warranty for travel bags, offering peace of mind and assurance of a long-lasting investment.